Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo Flush Rail base roof rack system for the 2016 through 2022 and possibly beyond BMW X1 with factory installed flush side rails. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo Flush Rail foot pack, set of 4, and the WingBar Evo load bars, set of 2, available in silver or black, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of 4 of these contoured rubber base pads and 4 sets of these rubberized metal side rail brackets and 4 of these barrel fasteners. Now, these parts have numbers that are assigned to them, which correspond to numbers shown in the instruction sheet to guide in the installation. And we'll demonstrate the installation on one of the Evo Flush Rail feet. First, I'll remove this outer cover, and with that cover removed, you can see there is a threaded post here. Now, these components of the fit kit not only have numbers, but they also have letters assigned to them, and the letters are there to guide in the correct order of installation. So letter A is the inner portion of the bracket that would be installed first. Letter B is the rubber base pad that's installed next by pressing it to the underside of the foot. And letter C is the outer portion of the bracket. And then that barrel fastener just threads onto that threaded post and holds those parts in place. Now the next step would be to install the foot onto the load bar. Here we have the Thule WingBar Evo load bar. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction with a dedicated track along the top of the bar, which is accessed by opening the end cap, allowing you to slide certain hardware directly between the 2 pieces of rubber in order to mount approved carriers directly to the top of the bar for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. Now we'll take off the end cap, and now you can see there is another slot on the underside of the bar. And within that slot is a measuring device. The measuring device has numbers. Now those numbers are not referenced in the instruction manual for this particular application. However, they can be used to help to manually center the load bars on the roof of the vehicle. Now we'll go ahead and slide the foot into the slot on the underside of the bar, and we'll go ahead and put the end cap back into place. That's a safety measure so that when you're maneuvering the load bars with loose feet around on the vehicle, they won't slide off the end of the bar. Now, next step would be to tighten the side rail brackets to the side rails using the tool here that's included with the foot pack. Now that tool will tighten that barrel fastener and tighten the brackets and tighten the foot to the load bar all simultaneously. And once it's reached its maximum tightness, the handle on the end of the tool will click, and that indicates you're done with the tightening. Now you'll notice there is some exposed slot on the underside of the bar here, and we'll want to fill that in with rubber that is provided with the load bars, and you simply cut to measure that with a standard household scissors to fill in that gap and maintain your good aerodynamic performance on the underside of the bar. Now you can go ahead and put the outer cover back into place. It just clicks into place. And then there's a plastic plug. Just give that a 1/4 turn and that'll hold that cover in place. You do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a Thule lock cylinder. Thule lock cylinders are sold in matched sets. You can purchase a set that would be enough not only to lock up all 4 of your feet, but you can also buy more quantity sets that would allow you to not only lock up your base roof rack, but also the accessories to the top of the bar as well, all using a single key. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Thule Evo Flush Rail base roof rack system. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. And consider subscribing. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. Thanks for watching.